How's it going, everybody? Just send the link. Let me send the link. Hold on here, chat. Alright, chat. So yeah, basically very simple. At the reflip of the 4-hour. Oh shit, I'm hearing myself. At the reflip of the 4-hour, I'm taking some buy stops to fill the 4-hour wick up. Also, this since we respected these lows, we're still looking to fill that trend upwards. And with war tensions and everything, I do think gold is going to come up to all-time highs again. Because as you guys know, Israel just invaded on land Lebanon. Since war tensions are getting out of hand, I do think we are in for a very strong push on gold. We've seen this story happen many, many times in the past few weeks. As soon as some new war tensions come out, we just literally keep pushing relentlessly on gold. So that's what I'm expecting for it to do here, especially because this 4-hour has very small top wick. I'm expecting it to fill at least this whole wick, if not even further. If we come into this range and obviously come up all the way. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting here, chat. I would just have to wait and see if we get filled here. Might have it a little further up at around. I'm gonna have it a little higher because I don't want it to reject off of these highs. So I wanted to break this high right here. So I don't want it to make an identical sort of candle structure. Other than that, yeah, man, now we just wait for us to get activated here. Once we're activated and this 4-hour flips, we should see a pretty strong push up. I think we're about to get activated here, chat. On the strong 5 closure. Daily, very bullish. Has no bottom wick though, but that shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, chat, let's see if the 4 can flip here. See, strong green candle on the 15 would be nice as well. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get activated here. That's activation, chat. It's for flip for break of the highs. All right, we are in this baby. Now let's see if we can fill the range up on the 4, fill the wick up. Should get a wick fill. I don't see the 4 coming down and breaking the lows again, especially not after this retracement and failing to break those lows earlier, right? You're still in a heavy uptrend. So I don't see us coming down and breaking lows again. $5 obviously just coming down to create that bottom wick if it does. Shouldn't be too worried about that. Let's see if we can get a 5 closure above here. That should be nice. We have some sort of minor resistance right there. See now, chat. I don't think the sentiment has changed at all on the 4. I think we're still heavily bullish. Let's see DXY. DXY coming down, looking good for a retracement, tapping into these highs, which is a previous resistance area. So DXY should start coming down, which is good for us, obviously. So yeah, let's see. Did slightly reject off of that area, which is not nice. One hour look coming down to its last 30, which is good. 30-minute. If you can get a bullish 30-minute closure, that'd be ideal. Yeah, I'm seeing some reactions here, chat. Seeing some reactions off of this area. So we do need to push through it again. If we push through it again, then it's going to be... I think we're going to just keep coming up. But we have to push through this area. We're looking to probably close most of my position at the compensation up here. Because big chance that we might reject at the compensation. Alright, for rebreaking the highs. Let's see if we can get a wick fill. Does the war affect gold or the dollar? Both. Both the dollar and gold goes up typically when there's war tensions. Especially in the Middle East. Because both are seen as safe haven. So both I mean the dollar is always generally safe to hold. So is gold. Oh, that's a tough reaction. That's a new 5 that opened. Close above though. The 5 closed above with practically no top wick, so shouldn't be a problem here. You in the position, Bard? Low-key late right now? Yes, I'm in this position. What do you mean late right now? Let's see. When New York opens, the market might react to the war. So we got New York open here in 5 minutes. So the next 5 minute candle should take us up a lot. Also got the dollar dumping, which is nice. All right, 30-minute closure in 3 minutes. Probably getting a green 30-minute closure, which is nice. Expect some drawdown, chat. Expect some drawdown. Expect us to come up and create a bottom wick on the 30 before coming up again. All right, pushing nicely here. We got a 30-minute closure. This is 30 minutes. This is a nice 30-minute closure for us. We get currently up 18 pips. Tough. We have a tough area at 54. I mean, we have to get through 54, but remember, guys, 54 is a really strong area. Like this area in general is super strong. But again, I think gold is just gonna pump. I think this is one of those days where gold is just gonna pump relentlessly. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough area to get through. I just closed from 2648.9. I was in since before the stream bar. I closed because I'm a scared little pinky. Hey, at least you're honest. At least you're honest about it. Do you think it's going to go down on the 30-minute? I think the 30-minute is going to give us a bottom wick, yes. Do I think it's going to go down all the way and break the lows? No. I think the trend is pretty clear, chat. This trend is pretty clear. If you come down, you might come down and just retest the trend line, but I think the trend is pretty clear. So I definitely don't think it's going to stop us out. But I do want to get a bottom wick first before I move tops break even. There's the no top wick. There's the flip. Not little pinky, scared like pinky. What does that even mean? There's the bottom wick on the 30, by the way. There's the bottom wick on the 30, chat. Expected. Strong rejection off of 54 areas. Holy shit, chat. We can close partials here. Move stop loss break even, chat. Holy shit. I'm gonna move, take profit here. 68. And stop loss break even. I'm gonna close partials here at 75 pips. Holy shit, chat. It's 100 pips right there, chat. I'm gonna close most of the position here, chat, and just leave runners. God damn. Holy shit, chat. That's 110 pips. I haven't sent the signal yet. Oh my days. Oh my days, chat. What a fucking position, man. Yo, I'm done. I'm done for the day, chat. I'm done for the day, bro. Honestly, chat. I'm done for the day. What the, like, what kind of position? I closed most of the position. I left runners like 10%. Holy shit. What a fucking move, bro. I mean, What else is there to do, really? You know? That's actually fucking insane, chat. I didn't even record the position or anything. Fuck, man. That's crazy. That is actually nuts, chat. Told you. How many times have we seen this story, chat? Yo, how many times have we seen this story, chat? How many times have we seen this story? Right? It's war tensions. Gold is kind of like looking like it's coming down. It's tapping sort of, and then pow out of nowhere. Like I knew I was trying buys, chat. Like I was gonna try buys all day. I was gonna try buys all day, like all day, because I knew there would come a certain point. I had a feeling in my stomach there would come a certain point in the day where gold would just rip for no reason at all, because that's what gold does when there's war tensions. Right? That's what gold does when there's new war tensions. Where do you read news from? General articles. My dad. Literally my dad. I'm gonna be honest, Chad, my dad is my news source. Right? Literally, I just asked my dad, yo, dad, what's going on in the world right now? He's like, oh, yeah, Lebanon just got invaded. I'm like, all right, cool. Let me, or not cool, but let me hop on stream. That's insane, bro. What a fucking push, chat. Yeah, like, that's full TP hit, chat. It's full TP hit for runners for around 160 pips. Oh, god damn it, bro. Sorry guys, I was just recording and we're just recording a video for Instagram, so y'all didn't miss out on anything. Don't worry. But yeah, chat. I mean, who else does it on stream? Who else does it on stream? Like, I'll be honest, chat. A lot of these guys, like the other traders online, they show you guys, oh, look at this position I took yesterday. Look at this position I took earlier today. And they show you old positions that they took. They show you profits. But I mean, who else calls out a 100 and I don't know how many pips this was, 160 pip move live? I took it 10 minutes before it happened. Waited for the position and held through all the way up. I didn't close at 26 pips. I didn't close at 30 pips. We held out and we closed our first partial at, I don't know, 80 pips, I think. And then we closed the rest of the position at 120 and then the runners at 160. There's really no one else who does it. Bard, do me a favor and run on where you took this trade. All right, pretty simple. First, we have to remember, I think one of my best qualities is that I adapt very quickly to situations. And the past few weeks we've had trouble trading gold. Not trouble, we've still performed very well, but I've had more trouble than usual. The reason is there's been war tensions and war news, meaning gold has just been relentlessly pushing for no reason. Right? So I knew that and I adapted. I was like, okay, I see this, I will adapt. Fast forward to the recent days. What happens? Israel invades Lebanon. Ground invasion. Right? A bunch of war tensions. Iran gets involved. Bunch of threats here and there. And I was like, I've seen this before. I've seen this war tension weird push before. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get an opportunity for an entry for a buy. So we got the opportunity. What was the opportunity? The opportunity was a very small wick on the 4 hour compared to the previous one. So we had previously on the 4 hour came up a lot and then we came down, right? And then I saw that the current 4 hour candle, the wick on it, the top wick, was very disproportional to the previous wick, meaning this wick was not even 10% of this wick. And I was like, okay, we need a wick fill, right? It goes back to the same thing I teach in my course, for example, the wick fill. So I was like, we need a wick fill. So what did I do? Well, I had buy stops at the break of the wick. So I was like, you know what? I don't know how far we're going to come down. I have no idea. I don't know if we're going to reject here, 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 or here. So I'm not going to try to predict anymore where we're going to reject. I'm not going to try to predict the bottom wick. But what I know for certain is that once you flip on the 4 hour, this wick will have to get filled because this is a range. Therefore, I had the buy stops expecting us to flip and fill the range up. Now, with the war tensions in mind, I knew that there was a possibility for us to completely rip to another universe, because that's what we've been doing on gold for the past few weeks. So I had that in mind. And I entered. And yeah, you guys see what happens. And I was not scared. Back in the day, I used to be, I would have been scared. I would have been like, oh, 25 pips, let me close. 30 pips. No. I was not scared. And I knew that we needed a good RR on this trade. Therefore, very simple. Called it out for the VIP signals as well. So yeah. And now this is probably going to rip all the way up to God knows where. But yeah, that's the reason I took the position, boys. I secured 180 for it, so I appreciate you, brother. No worries, man. My ass was late. Yeah, chat, that's why you got to be on time on stream, because you never know where you get a position. You might get it at the beginning, you might get it at the end. Nobody knows. So we would assume that it eventually had to fill that whole green area back down. When we don't know, it would technically have to. Let's say it will have to fill it, but trying to predict when it would fill it is almost impossible. You don't know. Because this is not price action. Like, this is not price action. Price action, if it was pure price action, first of all, this push would never happen. This is an external factor playing into the markets, which is in the war news. So we don't know. The war they might break out another war tomorrow, and boom, Iran might send missiles. Boom, nobody knows. So right now, I'd stay away from sells, chat. Stay away from sells, even though they look really attractive. You can maybe catch scalps, but try to catch the pullback for the buys instead of trying to catch scalps. All right, scalps right now is extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous. So yes, you will have to fill it eventually, Jose, but God knows when that is, right? God knows when that is, right? Look at this push. Huge green candle, right? Huge green candle. Did we ever fill it back down? Nope, never. Never came down to fill it. This is what happens when there's news. Or when there's war. Did we come down to fill this? Never came down to fill it. Never. So when there's war, don't even try to think in terms of price action or in terms of technical analysis, because it does not play into account. This baby is pushing, chat. This baby is pushing like crazy. Yeah, it's hard to really predict it right now, but analysis on the close of the 4 hour. There's no real technical analysis, chat. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. There's no real technical analysis to do. And to be honest, after you catch a 160 pip move, chat, there's not really much else to do. News coming in 5 minutes. Oh, we have more news? This was, I guess this was technically a flip play, you could call it. Hold on, chat. I was just journaling the trade. How can I call this trade on my journal? Flip play. I'm gonna call it a flip play because it was technically a flip play. Let me see. Uh, uh, yeah, I was gonna check news about check news, check news, check news, check news. What does it say? Tuesday? Jolt's job openings. All right, let's see. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Gonna take $100 and gamble and he's break of the highs? Not a bad gamble. I don't think it's a bad gamble at all. Yeah, news is most likely gonna push gold up, chat. Hold on, chat. I'll answer all your questions. Just let me see what news does. Because I'm trying to predict based off based off of recent price action. And I do have a feeling we're gonna come up. I don't know why, but usually I don't say this happens often, but I know a lot of other people have noticed this as well. Usually before news comes out, price will move in the opposite direction of news, right? So if news is gonna come out bullish, price will usually just start coming down right before news drops, and vice versa. So I do think you have a chance. I do think news might push gold up, honestly. Never mind. News come out to good or bad? Very mixed. Very mixed. Looks to want to come bullish though. Uh, 8. Things I don't know which one has more impact. Jalt's job openings or ISM. Jalt's job openings. I don't know. Which one has more impact, chat? Historically. Do you guys know that? Job openings or PMI? What is dollar doing? Dollar is dumping. Yeah, it looks like it wants to come up, chat. It looks like it wants to come up so bad. I don't think I've ever seen a candle flip more times than this candle. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what gold wants to do, chat. I honestly have no clue here. But yeah, y'all were saying Iran is preparing a missile targeting Israel. Dude, if that happens, all hell is gonna break loose, chat. All hell will break loose, chat. Like gold will fly. Chat, honestly, a swing trade on gold would not be bad at all. A swing trade on gold would not be bad at all. Wait for it to come down to around 65 and then take it at around between 60 and 54. US warned Iran though. Yeah, obviously I don't think Iran is gonna do it because Big Daddy USA is gonna step in if Iran ever, like, if Iran does anything like that, the US is gonna step in and there will be massive consequences. And to be honest, chat, no, I don't think. I know Iran is literally shitting their pants. Iran is super scared of the US. Like they're super scared of the US, so I don't think anything's gonna happen really. But who knows, mate? Who knows? I still think gold is gonna pump though. But yeah, like the thing is, how far can Israel like I don't really know, chat. If any of y'all is interested in politics or geopolitics, like what's Israel's objective? What does Israel wants to get out? Like, where does it end for Israel? Like, when's Israel like, okay, we've done enough, or we've got what we wanted, and now we're done? Like, where does it end? Because I have no idea. I don't know, like, why they're invading Lebanon out of like all of a sudden. Like, what do they want out of it? Like, that's what I'm interested in. I really don't know. I really don't know. So like, if nobody sets the boundaries, how far can Israel go before somebody stands up and is like, no, this is not okay? Like, I'm talking some of the big dogs. Yeah. So basically, the question is kind of how far does Israel have to go for Iran to actually step in? Bard, what do you eat when you're craving sugar but don't eat sugar? Fruit? Fruit or... Yeah, fruit. I'd say fruit. I don't really crave sugar that much, though. I more crave salty things. Like, I'm a salty guy, chat. You rocking that carnivore diet? I'm trying. I'm trying. So yeah, I'm mostly carnivore diet, but yeah, I do kind of cheat sometimes. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I do cheat sometimes. So sometimes I might have pasta. You know, I might have pasta, I might have something, but I'd say I said 90% of the time I eat carnivore, and it really like, dude, I put on so much size since I started eating carnivore. Like, dude, the gains are insane. Like the gains are actually fucking crazy, chat. Try eating ground beef, chat. Try eating ground beef and only ground beef, not only ground beef, but try eating only whole foods like ground beef, and make that the center of your meal. So like ground beef or a steak if you have the money for that. If don't, just eat ground beef. Otherwise, avocados, bananas. Cook everything in either ghee, beef tallow, or coconut oil. And bro, you'll see, it's insane. They've been fighting since the Bible days. Yeah, I know. Why is everyone surprised? But this is not just a fight, though. Like, Israel is literally like Israel is occupying Lebanon currently. There's a land invasion. It's invading. That's different from just Gaza. Carnivore and fruit, legit just started that shit this week. Yeah, it really works for me. And try to add maybe fruit, maybe add a little bit of honey as well. Honey works really good for me. Helps me my energy levels. But yeah, it works really well for me. Grape Grapeseed oil is pretty good too, by the way. Grapeseed oil? What is grapeseed oil? You mean rapeseed oil? I don't think I don't think that's grapeseed oil. We should change the subject because people get real sensitive, especially on YouTube. All right, makes sense. Makes sense. Oh no, I was just asking. It wasn't. I'm not implying anything. I'm just asking because I literally don't know. At least we got 100 pips. Facts. We got 100 pips, chat. We did catch 100 pips. Bard, have you heard of the grapefruit method? No. Grape seed. Grapeseed oil? What the fuck? Like to cook in it? Or what? Bro, I have no idea, man. Right. Yeah. Yo, can we chat, can we just talk about my levels, chat? Like, can we just talk about my levels, please? Like, look at this level right here, bro. Look at that closure and then the rejection afterwards. Come on now. Close, respect, and reject it afterwards. Like, even in midst of war, my levels still hold up, bro. Literally. Right now, currently, I would say there are three countries fighting this war. No, 4 countries fighting this war. There are 4 entities fighting this war. It's Israel, it's Palestine, Lebanon, and my support and resistance. Anyways, that's actually nuts though. Iran too, not quite. I wouldn't say Iran is quite in the war yet officially. Bart, quick question: do you strictly and only take trades written in the playbook? Like if there's a trade and you're not positive, you want to take it? Yes, only playbook. Only playbook. Levels to this shit. Facts. There's literally levels to this shit, chat. But yeah, no, I don't. Never. Doesn't matter if like, it literally doesn't matter how sure I am. I don't. I don't. I always try to be as close to an algorithm as possible, and algorithms don't think, oh, I feel like 99% this is gonna come up. Nope. It doesn't matter. How many plays do you have in total? 5 currently. 5, and I have 2 more which are not fully developed, but they're I would say they're 70-80% done. But those are also in the playbook, and I have put them in a bonus area. So if you get the playbook, you will see the plays, like the original plays, and then you will see the bonus section. And we know 3 of them for free, right? Yes, you know 3 of them for free. But again, even with the compensation play, chat, if I add a rule to the compensation plays, it's gonna come out for the course people first. Because usually when I add a rule, I first tell people about it and I tell them to test it out, and I test it out myself, and then after it's been established for a few months, then I add it to the official, like for everybody. So yeah. Chat, what do you do when you catch 160 pips, chat? Like, what are you doing one of these days? Drink? It's Tuesday, bro. If it was Friday, man, I would have been. I've been opening a beer right now, but now it's Tuesday. Give it back to the market. Facts. Close the computer and enjoy the rest of the day. This is me enjoying the rest of my day. My day. This is me enjoying my day, chat. Maybe I should go and get a burger, bro. Woo! Yo, a burger would be nice. Let me see if. Burger. Burger. You can look for some more positions. Maybe. If we get a comp play, I'm always gonna take the comp play, chat. Like there's not a universe that I'm not gonna take the comp play in. All right, so, yeah. I think I should treat myself to a burger, chat. Especially after the USD JPY position. Now I got our break even, but some few people that didn't get our break even caught 130 pips, and today 100 and what is this? 106 pips. I think we should treat ourselves to a burger, chat. Honestly. Find a way to take all this nasty pressure off. What do you mean? That is nice. We can buys from around 26.54 would not be bad, chat. Would not be bad at all. To be completely honest with you. I think we should celebrate with some music. Y'all got bastards with Bradanas there? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And I might actually eat bastards. I might eat bastards. Ball studs. DXY and gold is bleeding. UJ is bleeding. Nasty market, chat. That might be the might be the retest on gold that we needed. Build imbalance. Hmm. I think the 15 looks like the flipper, chat. Still a lot of volume in the market, so I just realized. Because I was like, oh, market's moving slow, but it's just we're comparing it to what it previously moved as, but market is not moving slow at all. This is a 5-minute candle, right? 5 minutes. We moved 54 pips in 5 minutes, chat. It's a pretty strong candle. Pretty high volume. Let's see. 1 hour, 30 minutes about to close with a big bottom wick. I think it might fill that bottom wick and then come up after that. So I do think it's going to do something like this. Pretty sure of that. All right, chat. You know what I'm gonna do here, chat? I'm gonna actually go and get myself a burger. All right. 160 pip move today. Caught. Honestly, it's literally after you catch a move like this, I think it's a good indication for you to not be on stream anymore. And not look at the charts, because the more we look at the charts, the more we're gonna be inclined to take another position that we're gonna be like, why the fuck did we take this? We're gonna be more inclined to give it back to the market. So you in sells, brother, I was in buys, brother. I was in buys from 51 up to 68. So no, I'm not in sells. I was in buys, but yeah. Anyways, boys, I appreciate y'all watching. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. QTC on top as always. This is how we do it over here. Best fucking trading community on earth. We keep pushing boundaries. We keep growing. Keep making money. That's how we do it over here. All right, boys. I will see y'all tomorrow, all right, for another trading session. Same place, same time. Be there. Bye. Goodbye. Go treat yourself with something. Go treat yourself with something nice, chat. Go eat a burger as well. All right, bye.